I'm Ricky Lovell, aka MC Tricky.
And what are you doing here?
What am I doing here? I've come to basically put my ideas forward to the community of what I'd like to see in Launceston to better this town and better everything for the kids, basically. As I'm a youth worker and help out down at MMAD and the music side of things. So I would like to see some more youth projects and some more music things in the county, basically, or in and around the Launceston area.
Also, we're trying to get involved with the Barefoot Games, which has been run by the Eden Project. It's a project for young people aged 16 to 25. There'll be a number of different things going on in the town, like graffiti workshops, dance workshops, jewellery making workshops, gigs, band nights, everything like that. I want everyone to get involved. There's actually a meeting on tonight at the Eagle House. Just getting ideas down for projects, and it's completely based on young people's ideas. So they decide where these projects will be held, when, who's going to be able to go. It's going to be really good. So if you can find a way to get volunteer with that, everything's on the website, the Eden Project website. Just look up the Barefoot Games.
That's right, I've been in the game for about 8 years. I've had no support from my hometown, and everybody's looked at me and took the piss and told me, Tricky, you'll never make it in the game. Well, now look at me, I'm on bare flyers, doing it all off my own back. I'm making bare P, I'm making tunes. That's what I want to be, an MC. So you can do whatever you want to whenever you want to do it. That's right, that's all I'm going to say is stand up here and do what you want. Because every time